Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip 5 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down, and click on the Location section located under Security and Privacy. Lastly, tap on the switcher to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!